Do you want to start your own matrimonial website like shadi.com, jeevansathi.com and much more? Then check out our latest matrimonial website created for a client. In this website, a user can see different user by their caste, religion, age, gender and much more. They can filter users. They can also see the different profiles like free profile, premium profile and much more, and you can also earn by subscription. So it has free and premium both options. So if you are looking to make something like this, a complete matrimonial website like shadi.com, jeevansathi.com and much more, then this is the video for you. Kindly watch the video till the end. And this is our website. You can firstly register on the website like this. Enter your designation, your name, your all the details like this. You need to enter the right detail so you can get the right matches. Now choose your gender, your date of birth, your email ID and a password. Remember, the email ID that you will enter here will be the person account to log in. So kindly enter a right email ID and now enter a 8-letter password and now click on create account. And yeah, that's how easily you can create an account in our matrimonial website. And now click on active member and now you can see all the members as per your profile. As I have registered as a female, so I can see all the male profiles. And now you can filter the profiles by age or gender, and you can also filter by the different characteristics like the religion, location, caste and much more. If I click on search, now I can see all the profiles between 20 to 28. If it has more profiles, it will filter more. Now you can also filter the profiles by married, unmarried and more, religions like Hindu, Christian and much more. You can also see caste, subcaste and everything as shadi.com, jeevansathi.com and much more. So if you want to create your own local matrimonial website and app, you can directly contact us. Details are showing on your screen, or you can directly comment below so our team can help you. And now let's see, if I want to contact this profile, I will click on full profile and it is showing me purchase package. So in this website, we have option that if someone wants to see a particular profile, he need to purchase a package. When he purchases the package, you as an admin earn commission and money on it. And now you can show interest on a profile like this. In the admin panel, you can control how much interest a person can get on a free profile. Right now we have set it 5 interest. That means he can like up 5 profiles in the free version. To do more, he will need to purchase the premium subscription of the website. And now that's how you like a profile. And now let me share you how this will go ahead. Now the another person will log in and he will need to accept your like invitation. Now this is the profile of another person that you have just liked. And now he can directly go to active members and he can see response to interest. Like this. He can also like your profile like this. He can confirm your interest. And yeah, that's how a match happens in the matrimonial website. He can also see his past interest request, and he can also see the request that he got. So this is a complete matrimonial website for your business. If you are looking to start your own matrimonial business, this is the best option for you. You can directly contact us. You will get a website, a admin panel, Android app, iOS app, everything under one roof. And now you can also see the shortlisted profile, and now go to messaging, and now you can directly connect with the profile for messaging, chat and much more. And now let's see this message in our profile that we registered. And now refresh, and now we can see the new message notification in our website. So that is how one user can get registered can like a profile, can get response, and can chat with the another person. And that's how you can chat with any profile that you liked. And now the profiles can discuss between each other. They can also upgrade their profile for much more features. You can also send images. In the current website, we have set it maximum 5 images on the free profile. You cannot send more than 5 images, but if you want to customize it as per you, you can control it by admin panel, how many images, how many likes a free profile can do. You can also make it like free profile cannot do anything, he need to purchase. So this thing you can also do. If you want to make this website for your own business, you can contact us. Details are showing on your screen, or you can visit raunix.com. A user can add his photos and much more by going to gallery sections like this. He can also see his packages like this. He can click on purchase premium package. He can pay by InstaMojo, Razorpay, Paystack, Cash, Wallet, and much more. We also have manual payment method. That means if he pays you directly by your bank account methods and much more. For more, you can directly contact to our team so they can help you the best. These all options coming in the premium membership can be controlled by the admin panel. Now you can manage your profile, enter your introduction. So this website has almost all the features like big website, shadi.com, jeevansathi.com, and much more. So user can add his own introduction. User can enter his email, his name, his photo, he's married, unmarried, and a lot of other details. He can also choose his country, state, city. He can also add his education, career, height, weight, eye color, hair color, complexion, blood group, body type, body art, disabilities, and much more. He can also enter his languages. He can also enter his hobbies and much more. So you can get the right matches. He can also enter his a lot of other details that you can see on the screen. He can also enter his residential detail, his religion, caste, subcaste, and much more. He can also enter his sun sign and much more. He can also enter his permanent address, partner requirement. So you need to enter this section called partner expectation so you can get the right matches. And now go to my wallet, and from here you can recharge your wallet for the further packages. And now let's understand how wallet feature works in our matrimonial website. Now click on recharge, and now you can recharge your wallet. So why a user will recharge his wallet? He will recharge it if he wants to make sure his profile don't get deactivated to not having money enough for premium subscription. And now this is the website. You can filter the profiles by age, gender, and much more, and you can search your respected partners here like this. If you have any profile in this filters, it will show. And now this is your personal profile dashboard. You can see here your all interest. In the website and app, we keep telling a user to update his profile to premium profile so he can get more and more feature. Remember, to get more right options of partners and much more, you need to add more and more detail in your profile section. In the website, we have set it a lot of features like user account verification by admin, user profile picture verification by admin, and much more. You can also control it by using the admin panel. You can enter a lot of details of your partner expectation like his height, religion, caste, marital status, and much more to get more accurate options of your profile, just like this. If you are looking for a complete matrimonial business, this is the best website for you. You can directly connect with us. Details are showing on your screen, or you can visit raunix.com. We can make the complete website, Android app, iOS app, admin, and 1 year free technical support to get started with your own matrimonial business. And now click on premium plans. Here you can see all the premium plans available. Our admin can create more than one premium plan called silver, golden, and much more. Here we have created only one premium plan right now. And now this is the admin panel of our matrimonial website. From here you can see all the free members, paid members, and much more. You can control the whole system by using this admin panel. From here you can see this year earning, all the latest packages people have purchased. From here you can see all the free registered members. So this is our latest registered member. You can see, you can view a profile, block him, see his packages, log in as his profile, and also control the wallet balance they have, and much more. You can also upgrade any profile package. Let's say somebody came to your place and he has paid you offline. So you can also upgrade their profile by your site. You can also see all the premium members like this. You can also add a new member. Just enter the name, image, number, and much more details. You can also upload members in bulk. Just upload the CSV file from here. You can also see all the reported members. If somebody sees something inappropriate, they can report a person. And from here you can see all the profile attribute like religion, caste, subcaste, mother language, country, state, city, family values, everything you can see here like this. The more details you will add by admin, the more filters users will have to select from. So all these options are available in the admin panel of matrimonial website. So these are all options available. From here you can select which section will show in the user profile. You can also control the premium packages, and you can also control their prices, availability, and much more. From here you can also write blogs, and from here you can see all the other things like contact us page, website control pages, settings, and much more. You can also create sub-admin for your staff. And this is the detailed video how you can start your own matrimonial website and start your own matrimonial business. From settings, you can also control the different things that you want, the wallet system active or not, the vendor, the user must be active every time by admin or not, a user profile picture will be controlled by admin or not. All these features you can control by this section in settings section. And that is all about our ready-made matrimonial website and app. If you are looking to start your own matrimonial business, this is the best website for you. For more, you can contact us. Our team can help you, and I'll see you in the next